So ayan mga kakikoy ko, itong portion na yan mula sa fire door ay na-buff na natin. So up to here, look at that, totally done. So this is Kikoy's job. During school break we still work, you know what I mean. Ayan, I'm using the dual camera or recording. Yan, this is done up to the machine, and that one not yet. Alright. Alright, shiny. So keep on watching my janitorial service is over there. Alright, keep on watching.